this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Gemini from opening when you hold down the button on the side here, and then it's going to talk to you, and that can get annoying. So what you want to do is swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down, and we want to go on down under here till we get to Advanced Features. So this is Samsung. Then I want to go to Side Button. Then we got long press, so you can see the Google Assistant is on here. So we could just go to Power menu now. When I hold this down, it'll open up. Power button. So here's the side button settings too. But if you do have the Google Assistant on Gemini and you hold this down, to get the power menu, just hold down the volume down and the power button, and it will still bring open the power menu. So that's kind of what I do. I just hold both these buttons down, and then I can get the power options. Otherwise, I can just hold this down, and then I can get Gemini. So it gives you two different options, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out.